Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add people as a friend on PayPal. If you want to keep someone saved in PayPal so it's easier to send or request money from them again later, the process is very simple. This can be useful if you often send money to family, split bills with friends, pay someone for a service, or request payments from the same person more than once. PayPal doesn't always use the word friend in the same way some social apps do. But once you complete a transaction with someone, they're typically added to your contacts automatically. That makes future payments much faster and more convenient. Instead of typing their full details every time, PayPal may show them as a saved contact when you start a new payment or request. To get started, open the PayPal app or go to the PayPal website and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look for the Send and Request section. This is the area where PayPal lets you either send money to someone or ask them to send money to you. Before continuing, make sure you're using the correct PayPal account, especially if you have both a personal and business account. After that, go to the Send or Request tab. Depending on the version of the app or website you're using, the layout may look slightly different, but the wording is usually very similar. The important thing is that you enter the area where you can search for a person you want to interact with. If you're on mobile, you may need to tap through the main menu or payment options to find this section. Now, type in the other person's email address, name, or phone number. Use whichever detail you have available and make sure it matches the information connected to their PayPal account. Once you find the correct person, you'll need to complete a transaction with them. That means either sending them money or requesting money from them. This part matters because simply searching for someone may not always save them to your account right away. For example, if you send a small payment or request money for a shared bill, PayPal can then recognize that person as someone you've interacted with before. After you've transacted with that person, PayPal will usually add them to your contacts automatically, so the next time you want to send or request money, you may be able to find them more quickly without needing to enter all their details again. This is especially helpful if you make regular payments to the same people. For example, if you often pay a freelancer, send money to a family member, or request money from a roommate, having them saved in your contacts can save time and reduce typing mistakes. One quick tip: always double check that you're selecting the correct person before completing any transaction, especially if you're searching by name. Similar names can appear in search results, so it's a good idea to confirm the email or phone number before moving forward. This simple check can help you avoid sending money to the wrong person or requesting money from the wrong account. And that's all there is to it. By going to Send and Request, opening the Send or Request tab, entering the person's details, and completing a transaction, you can effectively add them to your PayPal contacts for easier use in the future. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more simple PayPal tutorials, and check out the next guide if you want to learn more about managing your PayPal account.